The creative process looks like this, right? Well, no, more like this. There's a lot of starring here, scratching there, walking away, sometimes running, doing everything except the thing. And suddenly you get an idea. The idea. Well, at least that's what you thought last night. But finally it pops up. An image. You see it. You start. The vision. The chase. The craft. The 5 a.m. filming sessions become your best friend. The 3-second shots take 3 hours to make. You lose your mind trying to find a song. You go off the rails trying to find the right pace. The deadline looms, the wheel of death spins. And just when you think you're there,
prioritize making thumbnails.
There's always one more thing left to do. Sure, we creators love creating. But if there's anything to help us do it, we're all here.